Good evening, student. Yesterday we have studied about the derivation related to the R by R is equals to 0.225 for tetrahedral complexes. This is the most important topic related to the coordinate, the first chapter, solid state. And now we are moving towards the derivation of R by R is equals to 0.414 for octahedral complexes. So see on board, it is most important diagram. This is the one face of the cube. If you will attach the atoms at the corners like this of radius capital R. This is the radius of atom capital R, and this the side of the cube A. See here, this is the point A and B, C. What you are seeing AB, you can write AB is equals to small a, side of the cube. In place of AB, what you can write, this is R and R. So this will be 2R. 2 capital R is equals to A. So R is equals to A by 2. This will be your equation 1. Now see in the diagram, if we join A and C, this is the face diagonal of the cube. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC will be AC is equals to A root 2. And you are seeing a space between these atoms. This is called octahedral void. If any small atom be placed which touch all these 4 atoms, if this atom has radius small r, and this atom has the radius capital R, so what you can write in place of AC? See here, this is R, this is capital R, small r, so you can write 2 capital R plus 2 small r is equals to A root 2. Now you have to solve this. 2 is common, R plus R, that's equal to A root 2. So R plus R is equals to A root 2 by 2. This is your equation number 2. If you divide equation number 2 by equation number 1, that means equation 2 divided by equation 1. So you will get R plus small r upon capital R is equals to A root 2 by 2 upon A by 2. See here, this is equation 2. You have to put this equation at above places. R plus R, this is equation 1, that is R upon R, that's equal to A root 2 by 2 upon A by 2. This A is cancelled by this A and 2 by 2. So you will get what I am rubbing this one portion. So this will be R plus small r upon capital R is equals to root 2 by 1. On splitting this side, R upon R plus small r upon capital R, that's equal to root 2. This will be 1 plus R upon capital R is equals to root 2. So R upon capital R is equals to root 2 minus 1. If you will put the value of root 2, so you will get R upon capital R is equals to 1.414 minus 1. And finally you will get the derived form of this R plus R upon R is equals to 0.414. This is the formula by which you can find the radius of the octahedral wide or space between the 6 atom of radius capital R. We have drawn the 4 atom, 2 atoms are also present here. That means total 6 atoms are here which form the octahedral wide, and in that wide maximum this size of atom you can put. I am writing one question to solve. If the radius of atom is 1000 picometer, so what will be the radius of octahedral wide? So capital R is equals to 1000 picometer, small r you have to find. Octahedral wide you have to use the formula small r upon capital R is equals to 0.414. So R upon 1000, that's equal to 0.414. So R is equals to 414 picometer. If you want to find the tetrahedral wide, so you have to use the formula R upon capital R is equals to 0.225. So student, after this you have to solve the numerical problem, and if you have any type of queries, so you can ask in the comment section as well as on my personal contact number. Okay, good night.